What's up, subscribers of JMR Spartan and KZR Spartan? We're going to be using this camera for both of the channels, so make sure to check out both of the channels. If you're on one, go to the other. But anyways, today we are going to do this is a brand new series that we don't have a name for it yet, so comment below what you think the name should be. It's going to be basically quick courses from like 30 seconds to a minute long, where we are going to go as fast as we can. Both of us, one at a time. Whoever gets the fastest time wins. So right now we are in a furnace ruins, furnace ruins, and we made a quick course. We're both gonna run through. Whoever gets fast time wins. Jake is going first. Here it goes. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Your whispers in my ear don't mean a thing. Secrets off the suckers don't pull my strings. Lies will cost you money, but the truth is free. Don't be messing with me. Don't be messing with me. The air is thick with smoke and I can't breathe. All your secrets pouring in and out of me. Shut your mouth, lock the door, and throw away the key. You can't be messing with me. Don't be messing with me.
Time?
28:16.
28.16 seconds. 2, 1, go.
Don't be messing with me.
Time.
0.99.
And his time was?
36.99.
Got ya. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to be doing a lot of those. This is going to be a new series. We don't know the name, so remember, comment below. Like if you liked the video, subscribe if you liked. Make sure you check out JMR Spartan. Or if you're on JMR Spartan, make sure you check out KZR Spartan. Peace out.